Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to unhide columns in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Right, so there are two ways to unhide columns in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I'm going to show you both of them. So first you have to find the hidden columns you want to unhide, and you can find hidden columns in a Google Sheets spreadsheet by checking the column header row here. And when a column is hidden, you're going to see this left and right arrow here, and you can also identify the hidden rows or columns. As you can see, after C and D, E and F would come and they are missing. So as you can see, these columns are hidden. So as I mentioned, you have two options to unhide columns. The first is to select the columns next to the hidden columns you want to unhide. So select D and G in this case and right click on the column header, and you're gonna see the unhide columns option. And as you can see, the start date and end date column in this project management table has been unhidden. So let's undo this action and let's check the other option. The other option is, as you can see, we can see this hidden column icon here, and we can see this left arrow and right arrow. So if you click on either of that, so the left arrow or the right arrow, as you can see, the start date and end date or the E and F columns have been unhidden. So now this is how you can show or unhide hidden columns in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.